Hello everyone. I'm here to work on my 52-week tag challenge from Spankie's Crafty Corner. And as always, there will be a link in the description box. My word for this week is garden. The material or texture says water soluble, and the color combination is choose your own. So I have an idea I want to play with. Now, these are pieces left over from another project. They are just magazine images that have been glued to some paper bag and stitched around. So I'm going to see about using those. I've got several quotes here, and I'm going to pick one of those. I don't think I'm going to use that today. I, of course, will. I have some threads for the tassel. And, oh, I didn't put my word together, but I will get it together in just a minute. What I'm going to do is I am going to use this Distress ink, if it works right, and a little bit of water. So we'll see how it goes. This is, let's see, this is Vintage Photo. Now these are dye-based inks, so that means they're water soluble. Okay. Well, it didn't run as much as I really expected it to, so what I'm going to do is put that down on my mat. And spray it like so. Yeah, that's better. It's much more what I wanted. At the same time, I really like the grid pattern in it. So we will just set that aside for right now and work on our other parts and pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and work, and I will be back towards the end and talk to you about this project. Let's clean up this mess a little bit. Okay, I like it a little bit better now. It was just, it still had a little too much white on it for me, so a little more purple, and I think I like it a lot better. It just has a little more color to it. The brown was just a little too stark. There we go. There we go. I like it a lot better. I had a little, it didn't bleed on the paper as much as I thought it was going to, so by putting my stamp pad on the craft mat and spraying it, it bled real nice and picked up some fun color. I want to do that again with some other colors and play with it some. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to have it out of the frame. I got to use up a few of my little extra pieces, so that was a good thing. And I completed my, let's see, week 25 tag. Yes, week 25. The word was garden, the material or texture was water soluble, and I got to choose my own color combination. And basically I used the browns partially because of the paper bag I had used, and the purple because of to pull the purple out in my flowers. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do give my video a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. You don't have to, but if you like it, please do. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please, I'd love to have your subscription. And I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on to find the next thing I need to do today. Nothing you create will ever be real unless your heart is true. And that is pretty good. Okay, I am going to go. I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. Have a great day. Make some art. Bye-bye.